What if Medusa was never the villain? What if the real monster was a story people chose to believe? Because once fear becomes popular, the truth doesn't stand a chance. And when a crowd agrees on one version of someone, they stop asking questions. Tonight, on ThinkSpire, we're telling Medusa like a real documentary. In the ancient Greek world, reputation was survival. A name could open doors, or close every door forever. And the fastest weapon wasn't a sword, it was a story. That's how Medusa begins, not as a monster, but as a person trapped inside a story. Most people remember the headline version, snakes for hair, one look turns you to stone. But the real question is, how does someone become a person the world refuses to look at? Fear freezes thinking. And when fear takes over, logic becomes optional. Some versions place Medusa near a temple power, rules, judgments. Then comes the turning point. Retold differently, but ending the same. Medusa is marked. Medusa is blamed. Medusa becomes the warning sign. When power collides, the one with the least power often pays. People focus on the snakes, but the real curse is after. People step back. Friends disappear. The label becomes louder than the person. Fear can freeze a community into silence. Then Perseus arrives, young and ambitious, sent on a mission. Not to understand Medusa, but to remove the problem. That's what society does when it labels someone dangerous. It sends a solution, not empathy. Perseus survives using reflection, not direct staring. That's the lesson. Don't react to the first story you hear. Look again. Verify. Think. Because the Medusa moment is when you accept a label without evidence. The Medusa effect is how a person becomes a symbol used to control everyone else. Someone is blamed. The story spreads faster than facts. People distance themselves. Isolation grows. Then people say it proves the story. Before you call someone a monster, make sure you're not repeating fear. Like, share, and subscribe to ThinkSpire. Comment the next story. Icarus, Loki, or Julius Caesar.